Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Salman. I have developed a website for a local bearing supply company which is Aaz Bearings with my groupmate Raja Faisal. This video will provide you a complete walkthrough of the whole website. So I'll start from the home page. This is the home page of the website. This is the hero section as you can see. So I'll just move down and you can see these are some standards on which Aaz Bearings operates, and you can see the interactiveness of the website. And then these are some brands in which Aaz Bearings deals in. Then we have some categories, and which is followed by the physical location of the store, that so that if someone wants to visit the store physically, he can visit this through this location. And we also have a small robot icon from where if someone wants to seek technical guidance, so he can get from here. So I'll just move to the about page. So the about page, yeah, it includes some standards due to which Aal Bearing has been such a remarkable company in the bearing supply field. So it just describes it, and these are some reviews of the customers who have bought products from this website, and these are some terms of service. Then we have product catalog page, and I'll just show you the functionality of the product catalog page when we'll move forward. And then I'll just open the admin panel, and I want to log in as an admin. So I have created two roles. One is admin and the other one is staff. So this one is admin, and I'll just show you. First we'll go through the admin panel, and I'll just create a brand name, check brand. I'll click on create, then categories. I'll click on check cat, and I'll choose any image from my gallery. And then I'll also create a check product, which will be check product, and I'll set the price to 200. I'll select check brand, check category. I'll upload the product image, and then I'll just now this is the section frequently bought together products. Like some websites offer that if you buy something, so there is also some like parts which are to be sold with like for example in this bearings case we have brackets, so I'll just add a bracket so the user can get the brackets from where to. So if the product is out of stock, I'll provide the alternative or buy something else. So I'll type any bearing. I'll type UC204, and then I'll just click on create. Now it says that the product is created. I'll just go back to the home page. Now you can see check brand and check category, both of them are over here. And if I move to the product section, you can just see the interactiveness of the website and how fast the search goes through. And then I'll just click on this product. Now you can see the frequently bought together. I'll just want to, if I want to add the bundle, I'll add bundle to the cart, and now you can see there are two products in my cart. So I can also leave a review. Now I'll show you the checkout functionality. I have bought two products. I want to check out, and if I want to check out, I have to put my info, and then any promotional code if I have. And now you can see that from here I can edit, deactivate or delete, or add a new promo code. So I'll just add AHAD 16. I'll put percentage on entire order and 16%. I'll just put it as leave it as blank, and one max use per email. I'll set it by active hours, and I'll set the valid duration 1 hour. And now I'll just create code. Now you can see that R16 is created. Now I'll come back to over here, and I'll just reload the page for once to make sure that our promo code works. I'll just type R16 and I'll click on apply. Now you can see that 16% amount is deducted. So to place order, I just clicked on the checkout button and it took me to the WhatsApp. Now if I go back to the admin panel, you can see that in the orders tab I can see the product and all of the details of the product. So I can confirm it or cancel it. Once I'll confirm, I don't have the option to get it to make it to the pending state again. I can cancel it if the 12 hours haven't passed from the time of the order I have placed. And then you can see the sales graph, like these are the sales of the year. Of per year it shows the sales by year, so it shows me sales by this year. And if I move down again, it shows me previous sales, as the website is created just 1 or 2 weeks ago. So I can generate reports, my sales report from over here. If I want to generate report for this month, I can just click on archive and it will show me this report. And then if I want to export report between custom date range, so I'll just put up the dates, the start date and end date, and it can be any date up to 6 months. I've shown you discount tab, and I'll move to the marketing. The marketing, if the user wants to, if the admin wants to send bulk emails, he can just type the subject over here, and then he can just type the message about it, and then send bulk marketing email to all of the customers in his database. Then admins, this is a purely role-based access. Only admin can see this tab. So now we move on to site settings. Right now I have made my email as admin notification email so that I can show you the results, that how this website operates. Now when the order is placed, the admin also receives an email that an order is placed on your website, so please do confirm or cancel that order. So this is the receipt, the billing receipt, the admin will receive. You can see it also shows the grand total and all the details of the customer, and the customer will also receive the details and an email which will confirm him that his order is placed. Now you can see that the whole receipt is present over here with all of the grand total and then delivery charges and subtotal and everything. Now it also has some contact email, and then Google, if the admin wants to change the Google Maps location, he can change from over here. Then physical address, and then WhatsApp order delivery charges can also be changed from here. Then some contact info which is placed in footer, that can also be edited from over here. And then the terms and policies part of the about section is also changeable. Then we also have activity log. Now you can see that everything which was done at this website, it stores the activity log of everything. And then finally we have the profile section. The user can edit his name, he can edit his email, or he can change his password. If I just click on return to store, it took me back to store. So this is all from our side. Thank you for watching this video.